China relations continue to deteriorate, there will be anything more coming from that side in terms of either support or help for the exiled government?
I think the United States government has been quite consistent, particularly from the 90s, when His Holiness met with the sitting US President for the first time, George Bush Sr. in 1991. President for the first time, George Bush Sr. in 1991. So you know, US is the only country that has a law on Tibet called the US Tibet Policy Act of 2002, which was amended in 2020 to US Tibet Policy and Support Act. It has been amended.